What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. I know it's been a minute since I've done one. I've been slacking a little bit, but today we're gonna do a review on my 2013 GMC Sierra Denali all-wheel drive. Just gonna go over it, show a couple things that I've done with it. So without further ado, here we go. Just a couple things I've done to it. It's got the 6.2 liter in it. Front grille, I painted the black. I painted the headlights. Well, I'm sorry, excuse me. I had the grill painted around the outer grill. I bought some brand new black and chrome headlights off of eBay, which I'll show you though where it look. I'll show you a before. And then we come around to the side. It had the paint matched mirrors, but I went ahead and bought chrome mirror covers for it. It had regular tires, 275 55/20s on them. I went with the Venom Power XT all-terrain tire, which gives it a more aggressive look. Instead of doing a 275 55, I did a 285 55, which is just a little bit wider than what comes with it. As far as those tires, I mean, definitely feel like it does ride better. They're a tad bit noisy than a regular tire, but they're not as noisy as a mud tire. So definitely I feel like that was a plus there. Oh, stay tuned, guys. You'll get the rundown on that thing there. But yeah, I got those running. I'll do a quick remote start for you guys. Nice little sound. I got the dual Flowmaster 40s coming out the rear. Take it on the inside. It's kind of dirty, so excuse it. Everything is still pretty much the same on it. No real interior upgrades. I changed out all the interior lights to LED lights. Even up here in the mirror here, LED lights there. It's got a cracked mirror, but that really don't bother me. I've got rock lights on the truck as well. I've got one under each wheel well. So I do have that. I did change out the tail lights as well. Bought them off eBay again. I did add the chrome tailgate cover on it as well. It didn't come with it. And I did do the third brake light at the top, which I didn't seal it all the way right, so it's kind of fading a little bit on me. But yeah, here's the truck. I got 20% tint all the way around. Nothing too dark, nothing too light. Feel like it fits it just perfect. Right now it's dirty. These are the 20-inch wheels that came on the truck. So again, you know, they actually fit it pretty well. Oh, I did get a 2.5-inch leveling kit on the front to kind of give it a steady riding height. Another thing I did have the GMC logo painted black to match. I changed out the antenna, which, I mean, again, those details I feel like make a big difference in the truck. And then I also did delete the GMC and Sierra badging on the back, give it a more cleaner look. So other than that, guys, that's my 2013 GMC Sierra Denali. Comment below what you think I should do next with it. I thought about some 24s or 26s on 33s, just to give it a little bit more height to it. again, I'm not sure what I want to do at this point. Just kind of up in the air. Thought about adding some more rock lights, which I'll give you a rock light video here. Now, I mean, they're pretty bright now, but you know, I kind of want to go brighter. I always like to be different, so I want to do something as far as, you know, standing out a little bit more, you know. No, I'm not gonna squat my truck, you know. And that is for people who it's for. That unfortunately is not for me, so I won't be squatting the truck. If anything, it may get a slight lift on it or something like that, but other than that, I won't be doing anything like that. Other than that, I may get it painted. I don't know. I mean, I get compliments on the truck as it sits now. I mean, people like the color, so, and just how the black and chrome kind of contrast with it, so I don't know. I don't know what I want to do with it. I've got to decide on which route I want to go with it, but I'm ready to make some changes. You know, I like the truck. There's nothing wrong with the truck, but I kind of get bored sometimes, so I get ready to want to do some different things or whatnot. So also on the truck, I changed out all the lights. So the headlights, the low beam, high beam, and fog lights are LED. The tail light bulbs, the tag bulbs, they're all LED. The reverse lights are LED. So I've got all LED lights in it as well. But again, you know, like I said, it's a great truck. But anyways, guys, not gonna hold you too much longer. I just wanted to do that quick video. You know, again, if you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe, share it. Like I said, if you got any ideas or you got any questions about the truck, don't hesitate to comment, ask those questions. Other than that, I'll see y'all on the next video.